Welcome to Best Scented and Ornamental Plants of India YouTube channel. During lockdown, the educational institutes are closed and a regular education system are collapsed. So we provide chapter-wise class for regular students. In this video, we discuss on the structure and function of brain. Human brain is a very important and sensitive part of the body. Through nervous tissue, it controls and coordinated different physiological activities of our body. Brain is protected by brain box or cranium. Brain is covered by three-layered system of membranes called meninges. Cerebrospinal fluid is filled between the meninges. The cerebrospinal fluid provides cushion in the brain against mechanical shocks. The human brain can be divided into three regions: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain can be divided into two parts, cerebrum and diencephalon. Cerebrum, it covers upper, back and side parts of brain. It is 2-3 parts of our brain. Through transverse groove, it is divided into left and right part called cerebral hemisphere. Through corpus callosum, made by nervous tissue, both hemispheres are joined together. On the hemisphere, many irregular elevations called gyrus and depression called sulcus are found. Due to these structures, the surface area of cerebral cortex is increased. Cortex is outer thick covers of cerebrum. On that, many species are found who control and coordinate different physiological functions of body. Functions of cerebrum: it controls the voluntary motor actions. It is the site of sensory perception like tactile and auditory perceptions. It is the seat of learning and memory. Diencephalon, it is covered by cerebral hemisphere. It regulates sensory and motor signals to the cerebral cortex and regulating consciousness, sleep, pain and alertness. Midbrain. The midbrain is mesencephalon. It is the forwardmost portion of brain stem and is associated with vision, hearing, motor control, sleep, alertness and temperature regulation. Hindbrain or rhombencephalon is divided into two parts. Cerebellum, it coordinating voluntary movements. It is responsible for balance and posture. Brain stem, it includes pons varolii and medulla oblongata. Pons varolii, it is composed by nerve fibers and situated on front part of medulla. It controls respiration. Medulla oblongata, it is a long stem-like structure which make up the lower part of the brain stem. It is responsible of involuntary functions like vomiting and sneezing. Functions of brain: it receives and analyze impulses, responding to the impulses received, correlating various impulses and storage the information. Our next video is on respiration. If you like this video, kindly forward, like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.